What's wrong with you? What are you doing? You're going against traffic. Boss? What the boss is doing? No, that's wrong with it, that's the case. What are you doing? You should just go around the corner. Oh. Yeah. Car door, thank you. The brake lights don't work.
Which one?
The brake lights.
The brake lights.
They don't work.
Them.
Yeah. Okay.